Hi, Declared from farmability.co.za. Today I'm just quickly going to show you how to replace the Centurion Photon, I think that's how it's pronounced, batteries. Quick and easy to do. Just going to pop them in quickly. Need a little flat screwdriver just to pop out that little bottom piece. Well, quick, there we go. Star screwdriver, medium size, not too small, not too big. Just turn out the screw. There we go. New set of batteries. Pop that one out. That one out. Wrong way around. There we go. That one in. And that one in. Beeps show it's working. And we just make sure it's hooked on properly at the back again. Just tighten the screw again. And pop the little thingamajiggy back. There we go, lacquer. All done. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it. Have a good one.